everyone, I'm your good friend Betty. 2023 is coming to the end. In the beautiful December, we prepared a short video to review the touching moments of the past year and thank everyone we met. We deep focus in package and printing industry for more than 17 years, provide home machine and project solutions to customers. Non-moving bag making machine, paper bag making machine, paper molding machine, rotogravure printing machine, 8-side cell punch machine, digital printing machine, etc. In the past few years, we have made continuous efforts to expand the international market and established good cooperative relations with customers all over the world. Some are from the United States, India, Pakistan, Turkey, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, United Kingdom, South Korea, and so on. They traveled a long distance to our company, expressed great interest in our products, appreciated our service, and expressed their willingness to work with us to achieve more cooperation. Finally, Ouyang would like to express our thanks to these friends in different languages. Thanks for coming and give us the opportunity to work with you and grow together.
Bonjour tout le monde. Accueil pour visiter notre société. 공장에 방문해 주셔서 감사합니다.
Badiaman dongsi biagada. Esperamos su vista.
Ahlan wa sahlan bikum fi masnaina Ounuo.
Ounuo yahoshi gandinis.
Bem-vindo Ounuo.
Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to share and subscribe it. Let's look forward to a better future together. Bye bye.